Hello friends, we are going to perform the practical study of multiplexer 4:1. Aim: draw the necessary circuit diagrams for 4:1 multiplexer using IC 74153. Connect the circuit and verify the truth tables. This is the circuit diagram for 4:1 multiplexer. This is IC 74153. So we apply the four inputs here, one x0 to x3, and get the output from here, one y. It has two selection lines A and B and one enable pin 2E. To apply the inputs we connected switches, and to show the output we connected LED here. This is the truth table of a 4:1 multiplexer. There is a strobe pin, that is enable pin, and two control pins S1 and S0, and output is Y1. So whenever the strobe is high, that is 1, the any input is applied, output is always shows as a 0. So the circuit is disabled when the strobe is 1. When strobe is 0, then the circuit is enabled, and if we apply the control pins S1 as 0 and S0 as 0, the D0 input is selected and its status is shown at the output. So whenever the S0 means A is 0 and S1 means B is 0, then this D0 pin is connected to the output. So if D0 is 0, then output is also 0. If D0 is changed to 1, output becomes 1. Similarly, if S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, then the D1 input is selected and we get it at the output. S0 is 1, that is A is 1, and S1 is 0, that is B is 0, then D1 pin is connected at the output. So if the D1 is 0, then output becomes 0, and D1 is 1, then output becomes 1. In this way, we select any of the input and it will be connected to the output. To perform this, we connect this circuit, build this circuit in the Proteus simulation software. We pick the devices from this P. We search through the keyword 74153. So the IC shows in our part list. We need switches, resistor, and LED. Okay, now we place all the components. We firstly place the IC. So this is a dual channel 4:1 multiplexer. So it has two 4:1 multiplexers. We require only one, so we use only one of them. We place the switches. So we place the LED and resistor at the output. We require power supply. We flip these switches. We change the name of these switches as D0, D1, D2, D3, then S0, S1 and stop pin, that is enable, G. We change the value of this resistor to 220 ohm and this LED, name of that LED is Y. Okay, now we will connect the components. Start from LEDs, D0, D1, D2, D3, then switch S0, S1 and enable pin to stop. Connect the LED through this resistor at the output. We connect one terminal of the all the switches to plus VCC. And remaining pins are connected to ground. Okay, now the circuit is connection is completed. So we start the simulation. Okay, as per truth table, if a strobe is 1, then irrespective of input, the output is always 0. So if strobe is 1, whatever it may be the input, the output is remains 0. So LED is always off. The strobe is 0 and S1 and S0 are also 0. Then D0 is connected to the output. So the strobe pin, that is G, is low, that is IC is now enabled. S0 and S1 both are low. Then D0 is connected at the output. So D0 is now 0, so the output is 0. If D0 is 1, the output is 1. At this time, if we change the other inputs, it will not affect on the output. So only one input is connected at the output, which depends on these two input selection pins S0 and S1. Next, if S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, then D1 is connected at the output. S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, then D1 is connected at the output. So if we change the D1 to 1, that is high, the output becomes high, that is 1, and LED is on. If we change it to 0, the output becomes 0. Next, if S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, then D2 is connected at the output. S1 is 1, S0 is 0, then D2 is connected at the output. So if you change the D2 to high, the output becomes a high, and if you change the D2 to low, the output becomes low. Next, S1 1 and S0 0. In this case, D3 input is connected to the output. S1 1 and S0 1. Then D3 connected to output. If we change the D3 to high, the output becomes high. If we change the D3 to low, output becomes low. So the IC 74153 can be used as a 4:1 multiplexer. Thank you.